everybody. Hi, can you all see me and hear me? Hi guys. Am I audible and visible? I hope I am now. Yay, I am. Right? Just a minute. I'm still not able to see myself. Yes, finally. Something odd happened. Oh, everything closed. Are we back on? Okay. That is weird. Hi guys, are you all able to see me and hear me? 1 second, huh? Okay, this is ongoing. Okay, yeah. Now I believe you are all able to see me and hear me. Alright, thanks, Chandu. Just a minute. Yes, okay. Alright. So everybody is here. Very good evening and a warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English channel. This is me, your master teacher Nabamita JEE. Now can you hear me? Check. Is everything fine now? Good to go, right? Good to go, right? All right. Okay, we're ready. I'm so sorry that this session, it kept getting delayed for a very long time. Yesterday it was raining cats and dogs in Bangalore. And even today I am not feeling too well. I am in a lot of pain. However, I thought that I should not delay this session anymore. And so here I am. Quickly go and call up your friends also, and let's start with the 10 most important organic questions. Yes, everybody. Hi Pragya, hi Chandu, hi Mohammed Aleem, hi Satyavardhan. Very good evening, and so happy to see you guys. Yeah, so happy to see you. Don't forget to like the session and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, because you know that this channel deals with all the competitive exams that you mostly deal with, and all of them absolutely in English. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Everybody, are you ready? Here is our first question for the day, and our first question is asking us, where's my pen? Here is my pen. So first question is CH3COOH. This is LiAlCH4. It forms A, right? Then A reacts with again acetic acid, and then what do you get? In the above directions, it should be reaction. A and B respectively are. What is A and B respectively? This is very easy, right, everybody? Tell me something. When there is acetic acid, carboxylic acid, there is acetic acid, right? And CH4, what happens? Reduction happens, correct? Reduction happens. So once reduction will happen and it will form alcohol. Do you guys remember? It will form alcohol. So that means what will I get here? I will get C2H5OH. Am I right? Now the same thing, let's do the second step also. C2H5OH plus, okay, plus CH3COOH. Yes, here what is happening? See, what is happening? Water is coming out alone. If water is coming out alone, that means from here H and then C. OH from here and H from here, I can directly write it as CH3COO C2H5. Am I right, guys? Can you see it? Do you guys see it? CH3COO C2H5. Yes, so that means that option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Ma'am, please check your mic while you're facing board. Bacha, the mic is right here. Am I not audible, everyone? Am I not audible? Are you guys not able to hear me and see me? Perfectly audible or not? Okay, yes, finally, yes, everybody is right. Option D is correct answer. Do we understand this also? Do we also understand this? Yes? No, this thing, right? No, no confusions here. CH3COOH, acetic acid, there is LiAlCH4 present here. That means what will happen? Reduction will happen, alcohol will form. This is the alcohol that is forming, right? Once the alcohol is forming, once the alcohol has formed, then again, once again it is reacting with acetic acid, and here what will happen? Here what will happen? H2O comes out separately. That means one H from here and the OH from this A will come out. This is exactly what I did. Okay, let me use a separate pen color so that you understand. See, this OH part and this H part together will become your H2O, right? Okay, and this C2H5 gets attached to this CH3COO here and it forms this, okay? It forms this. Do we understand? Do we understand? Yes? Got it? Clear? Clear? Okay. Once again, bacha, explain in depth. Once again, I am just explaining everyone. Yes, reduction happens. Yes, then what happens? Here alcohol formation happens, right? Did you understand? And here what is happening? Then I know, you all know, everybody knows what are the reactions here. But just try to understand that OH from here, H from here will go out, CH3COO, C2H5 will form, okay? That's it, done. Let's not spend so much time in one question, okay? Now, moving on from here, let's go to the next question. The next question is asking, in the following reaction, X and Y respectively are. Once again, we have acetic acid here, yes, and here they are asking that aqueous NaOH solution is here. That means what? Aqueous NaOH solution, okay, alright, aqueous NaOH solution, when it is used with a nitrile, what do we get? What do we get? When it is used with a nitrile, we get acetic acid. Yes, yes. Also, one more thing, nitrile, when it reacts with water, the reaction is so slow that it is almost insignificant, right? And that is why we have to use a dilute acid, or we have to use alkali basically, right? And here aqueous NaOH is definitely alkali, right? So what must be X? X got to be a nitrile. That means it will be CH3CN, right? From CH3CN, when you react aqueous NaOH, you will get acetic acid. And then what is happening? See, after this, from acetic acid, it is forming acetyl anhydride. What is it forming? It's forming acetyl anhydride. That means dehydration has happened. That means right at this step, what is happening? Dehydration has happened. If dehydration has happened, what do we need? What do we need? We need a dehydrating agent, correct? What do we need? We need a dehydrating agent, and we know that out of these, P2O5 is a very potent dehydrating agent. Yes, P2O5, phosphorus pentaoxide, is a very potent dehydrating agent, and that is why. And that is why our Y becomes P2O5 and our X becomes CH3CN. Understood, everybody? Is this clear, guys? No, Bunny, it's not going to be option C, it's going to be option B, okay? P2O5, phosphorus pentaoxide, is a very potent dehydrating agent, okay? And from CH3CN, it forms acetic acid. From acetic acid, it is forming acetyl anhydride, right? So this is clear? All right. Moving on to the next question, everybody. Priyansh, all the very best, bacha. All the very best. Okay. Chalo. Moving on. Now, which of the following converts acetic acid to acetyl chloride? What is it? Acetic acid to acetyl chloride. Nageshwara, can you please speak in English, sweetheart? This is a JEE English channel and I'm not able to understand what you're writing in Telugu. So it will be great if you can, write it in English. Thank you. Okay. So I think let's check it out. NaCl plus acetic acid, right? CH3COOH. What do you think this will give you? This will definitely give you CH3COONA. right? That is it giving you acetyl chloride? No, this is wrong. HCl, CH3COOH. What will this give me? This will give me, I think, CH3COOCl. What is this? This is hypochlorite, isn't it? What about physics and maths? Physics and maths, my dear students, as you all know, we are getting new teachers for your advanced question, but right now for EAMCET, I'm so sorry, I will not be able to support you with that, okay? For that, you can go to Vedantu Telugu channel, but those of you who do not understand Telugu, I'm so sorry, but right now my hands are tied, I cannot really do anything, okay? This is forming acetyl hypochlorite. So, is this the correct answer? Not at all. Now, if I add here CH3COOH, what will this form, guys? What will this form? Can anyone tell me? Yes, can anyone tell me? What will this form? This will give us CH2Cl, then, yes, I know. Priyansh, wait up. Yes. This will give us CH2ClCOOH, right? I'm only writing one product. Huh? I have not written the other product, okay? I have not written the other product. So, I'm only writing the one product, whatever is necessary. So, can we get this as the answer? Not at all. This is also not our answer. But what do we need? We need our acetyl chloride. That means CH3COCl. That's what we need. So, CH3COOH, when we react, then we get CH3COCl plus H3PO3, okay? Plus what will we get? H3PO3, isn't it? What will we get? H3PO3, got it? Yes. So, which one is our correct answer? Option D is our correct answer. Option D is our correct answer. Will NCERT be enough for EAMCET organic chemistry? I'm not very sure. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure that you will have to I'm pretty sure that you will have to use the different other books for your practice at least, okay? For your practice at least. Yes. Okay? Chalo, let's move on. Yes, bacha, my blessings are always with you. Okay? Now, moving on. Natural rubber is polymer of what? Natural rubber is polymer of isoprene, right? Which one is the structure of isoprene? What are you guys saying? Cheppu ma, Majnu, yes, what are you saying? Can't understand. You guys are studying or not? No? Which one is isoprene, everyone? Can somebody answer? Very good. Pragya has answered. Kirti Kumar has answered. Absolutely right. It is isoprene, okay? Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene, okay? Yes, they are mixing yellow. Yellow is mixing with what? Not neoprene, isoprene. Isoprene, bacha. Isoprene. Surya Kiran Reddy. Isoprene. Okay. Alright. Got it? Okay. Alright. This is the correct answer and this is the structure of isoprene. Okay. Okay. Moving on now. Which one of the following statement is true for optical rotation exhibited by 2R, 3R and 2S, 3S dibromobutane? Okay. Now, let's talk about this. The directional and magnitude are same. The direction is opposite but magnitude is same. The direction is same but magnitude is different. Both the direction and magnitude are different. Achha, so 2R, 3R, 2S, 3S, you all know, right? What is this? That 2R, 3R, that basically is optical rotation. So, if it is optical rotation, our common sense says that the direction is opposite. Obviously, one is clockwise, one is anti-clockwise, right? The direction is opposite, but the magnitude has to be same, right? Yes, magnitude has to be same. So, that means that option B is making sense for us. Option B is making sense for us, right? Yes. So, can we click on option B? Definitely. Option B is our correct answer. Option B is our correct answer. Moving on. Now, according to Kahn-Ingold pre-log sequence rules, the correct order of priority for the given groups are. So, Kahn-Ingold Sorry, it's CIP rule, right? CIP rule is easier to say, but this every time I try to say, it feels like it's a mouthful of letters and I like, this happens. Anyway, what I wanted to say was Khan in gold prelogue. Yes, Khan in gold prelogue. Yes, so what happens in CIP rule? What do we know? We know that higher is the atomic number, higher is the priority. 1 second, that's what a lot of people are. No, the board is not blurred. I have also joined as a student. I can clearly see what's going on. I can clearly see what's going on. Clearly see. Ma'am, can we get 5 to 8 questions? I don't know, bacha. I'm not an astrologer. I can't really, predict it. Board is clear. Huh? Okay. Thank you, Krishna. Now, so in CIP rule, we know that the atomic number, if the atomic number is higher, then what will happen? The priority will be also higher, correct? Now, what a majority of the students, what they make a mistake here is, please listen to me everyone. What happens here is, what you try to do is, you start adding all the atoms, right? What do? You start to add all the atoms and then you say that, but this has a higher mass, no ma'am, so this should be the correct answer. No, not at all, not at all. Check the one that is connected to the carbon. Yes, just the, and in the chain also, you only have to see, if there are two similar, then you only have to see is making sure that the moment there is a difference that has come across, you have come across a difference, that's it, that's where you stop. After that, the whole chain remains irrelevant, okay? After that, the whole chain remains irrelevant. Now here, a lot of you are telling me that it is option B, it is option this. No. OH gets a much higher priority than COOH. OH gets a much higher priority than COOH, okay? So first it will be OH, then it has to be COH. Now you are going to ask me, ma'am, why not CH2OH? CH2OH. Ma'am, why is it not CH2OH? Why is it COOH? Now tell me, carbon's atomic number is what? What is carbon's atomic number? What is carbon's atomic number, everybody? Huh? Come on, everyone, tell me. You're still answering option B, option D, option D. No, it's not. Tell me what is carbon's atomic number. Let's figure it out right now. What is carbon's atomic number? You guys are discussing movies. Option, very good, 6. Carbon's atomic number is 6. Now, see. Then, okay, so let's write it down here, okay, CH2OH and here you have COOH. Why is this assigned higher priority and why is this assigned lower priority? Understand. So, both of them have CC, right? Both of them have carbon, correct? So, my idea is that this looks like a heavier molecule. So, I should give this the priority. But no, now what you have to see is, see, carbon is here, atomic number is 6, Now, I will go to the next one. I will go to the next atom. When I go to the next atom, I will see that here this is oxygen. Now, what is oxygen's atomic number? What is oxygen's atomic number, guys? Come on. What is oxygen's atomic number? Everybody, tell me. I know option D, you got it, I got it. Yes. What is oxygen's atomic number? Tell me. Royal boy, oxygen, 8, okay, very good. This is 8 and this is 2 hydrogen. So, can I say that means it is only 2? Now, tell me which one will get the higher priority? Which one will get the higher priority? Obviously, COOH, you will give it the higher priority, right? Because we just saw that this one has higher atomic number. So, I have given COOH the next priority, okay? Now, this will be the correct answer, option D, because CH6. So, this will be the lowest priority. Understood? Got it? Hare Krishna, surprise. So, you will get to know tomorrow only, no? Why will I spoil the surprise, huh? Why will I spoil the surprise? I will not spoil the surprise. So, everybody, do we understand the CIP rule? Is there any confusion with the CIP rule? Are we all clear with the CIP rule, everybody? Done, done? Cool? Good to go? Should we move on? Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes. Now, 1,2-dibromoethane reacts with alcoholic KOH to yield a product S. The hybridization state of the carbon present in X respectively. 1,2-dibromoethane. So, C, and here there will be what? Br. Here also there will be a Br. Bromoethane, right? So, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This reacts with alcoholic CIP full form. CIP full form is Kahn-Ingold pre-log series. Okay? Kahn-Ingold pre-log series. Vishwanath, in the last question, see, this is the CIP, Kahn-Ingold pre-log. Okay? It was discussed by 3 scientists. Okay? 3 chemists, their name is there. Okay? Acha, everybody come back. What are we doing? We are reacting it with alcoholic KOH. Okay? Alcoholic KOH. Now tell me, what is the first thing that we will get here? What is the first thing that we will get here? The first thing that we will get here is definitely an alkene, right? We will get alkene. Yes. So what is it that we are getting? We are going to get BrCH double bond CH2. Correct? Huh? Now from here, once again we have to yield. Once again we are going to add alcoholic KOH here. Now what will we get? Now we will get an alkyne. Am I right? Am I right? This has to be our reaction. Yes. Now tell me, what is the hybridization? What is the hybridization here? What is the hybridization here? Don't we see here that what does it require? It's attached to this and it is attached to this. 2 is required. So SP hybridization here. Here also it's attached to 2 atoms. So SP hybridization, both of them are SP hybridization. That means option A is the correct answer. SP and SP hybridization. Absolutely right. Yes, option A makes sense. Very good. Amazing. Moving on. Wet ether is not used as a solvent in Wood's reaction because the water present in it, obviously there is sodium metal also, right? There is also sodium metal. Do you remember? Yes, so sodium metal will react with water, no? So it will destroy the Na metal. That's it. Option C. This was easy. This was easy, right? Yes. Amazing. All right. Which of the following component is soluble in benzene but almost insoluble in water? Okay, everybody knows that it has to be nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is soluble in water but it is almost insoluble in water. Bacha, do you know that, do you know how to find hybridization? I really hope that you know how to find hybridization. I mean, come on, tomorrow, day after is your exam, right? It's very nearby. Yeah. So what did we do? We made sure that the reaction was done properly. Yes, okay. Alright. Alcoholic KOH. When you add alcoholic KOH to 1,2-dibromoethane, first thing that you get is you get alkene. Right? Yes, you get alkene. Now, everybody knows how to find hybridization. I'm really hoping exam is from 12. Yeah, I just said it day after tomorrow as an exaggeration. I mean, it's very nearby, right? Okay. And what I meant to say is, now see, but I didn't understand last step. Okay, all I did was this carbon. If I have to find the hybridization for this carbon, what I did was, I checked that, okay, this is connected to this atom, it's also connected to this atom. That means 2 hybrid, it only needs 2 hybrid orbitals. So that means it has to be SP. That's all, right? That's all that I did. Correct. Okay. Alright, chalo, moving on everyone, moving on, So which of the following compounds is soluble in benzene but almost insoluble in water? The correct answer is option D, C6H5NO2. K. Vishwanath, can you please allow me to take the session? I'm taking a session. Can you please allow me to do that? There are so many questions that I'm doing, no? If you don't focus now, then you will not understand the question. Then you will think about that, ma'am, this also doubt I have. Yeah? Hare Krishna, it's not a JEE advanced session today, bacha. It's for EAMCET. Please hold on, no? We'll tell you all about JEE advanced, okay? Yeah. Alright, option D is the correct answer. We understood. Now, which of the following compounds, when heated with CO at 150 degree Celsius and 500 atmospheric pressure in the presence of BF3 forms ethyl propionate? Ethyl propionate. Can somebody tell me this answer, guys? Who can tell me this answer? Who can tell me this answer? Ethyl propionate is basically, what is ethyl propionate? First, let's write down the formula for ethyl propionate. What is ethyl propionate? It is C2H5COO C2H5, right? Now, from where do you think you will be getting it? From where do you think you will be getting it? You are going to, in presence of BF3, when heated with CO at 150 degrees Celsius. The easiest way to get it here is very easy. All you need is C2H5O C2H5, right? CO will get added here and you will get ethyl propionate. That means option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, right? Yes? Right, everyone? Yes. Now, option C. Option C, guys, option C. Ethyl propionate. This is ethyl propionate, okay? From the formula itself, I can understand that what I do need is carbon monoxide I already have. All I need is this part, one oxygen and this part. So, that's how we got it, right? Chal. Moving on, everyone. Moving on. Oh, that's it. We are done with 10 questions. We are done with 10 most important organic questions. These are the kind of questions that may come in your EAMCET exam, and it's very important that you keep practicing the EAMCET questions, okay? There are lots and lots of question papers that are available, lots and lots of sample papers that are available in the internet, okay? Just check them out. Practice them. Practice is the only thing that will make you perfect. Yesterday, I also put up a shorts where I told you that 5 things that you really need to do before EAMCET exam. Please go and check it out. These are the things that you must take care of because it's very important. Yes. All right. With this note, I think that's all for today. Yes, Ganesh, the session is very short because your exams are very nearby and I don't want to take a marathon session and waste your time for 5 whole hours. Rather, half an hour if you sit here and then if you start solving the questions, self-study will be better for you right now. And please don't make a mistake. This is a mistake that you guys make, that you will be watching only. You are only watching videos till the end of the exam, till the last minute of the exam. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Give yourself a little more time for self-study. It's very important, okay? It's very important, all right? So with this note, tata bye-bye everyone. I'll see you all very soon. Yes, your exam is on 12th. I am planning another session where we will do the easiest question that we must not skip, okay? Easiest question that we must not skip. We will very soon do it on Monday, I believe. That's tomorrow or day after. Tomorrow or day after we will do it, okay? Chalo, bye-bye. See you all the very best. Bye-bye. See you. Tomorrow or day after we will do it, okay? Bye.